All right, we're back with the JR50, bringing it back from literally, the dead. It was burned in a fire. So anyway, I've got some of it sandblasted up, and tomorrow I'm planning on painting it. So I have some access to the ability to paint it with automotive paint and some clear coat. So just figured I'd give you a quick rundown. Here's the stock exhaust from the fire. Anyway, it's still a little charred, haven't got to it yet. But I sourced a hub, which these things are really hard to find right now. So I found one of those. We'll get it cleaned up and painted. And then this chain guard, that's the original from the fire. You can see I just kind of sandblasted it, got it ready. Of course, I'll have to finish wiping these things down, blowing them off, and getting them ready for paint, and all the painting prep process, primer and paint. Doing a base coat, clear coat. Here's the gas tank, which it's kind of rough still, but we'll get her all bondoed up and some of the dents sorted out. Anyway, it wasn't too bad. The inside of the tank was actually pretty clean to start with. I know you really can't see much in there, but that's it. Anyway, so the tank is gonna go kind of like a metallic yellow. The seat pan is gonna be black, handlebars black, frame black, swing arm black. Everything's gonna be black except for the tank. So anyway, just thought I'd do a quick update of bringing this thing back from the dead. So there you guys go. A lot of more parts on the way. So just waiting for stuff to show up in the mail, which seems to take forever. Oh well, such is life. Until later.